Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all have completed your lesson 2 classwork and book exercise, right? Okay. Today we will learn lesson 3, the tundra and equatorial region. Students, do you know what is this? This is the picture for latitudes of the earth, right? Center equator 0 degree, equator 23.5 degree, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree, south Tropic of Capricorn 66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle 90 degree north pole, 90 degree south pole. Already we have learned, right? Okay. Now we are going to see tundra region. Where it is located? It is located in this North Pole area. That means in this gap. In this space, tundra regions lies. Okay. Tundra regions lies in between 66.5 degree to 90 degree, both north and south. It receives cold throughout the year.
Students, see, in the earth, center part is equator, right? This northern side we can call as northern hemisphere, southern side southern hemisphere, right? In northern hemisphere, between this Arctic Circle and the North Pole, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and the North Pole 90 degree north, lies northern part of Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Iceland. So some of the places lies in this area. This region is known as polar region or tundra region. Parts of Greenland and highlands of the area permanently covered with ice caps. The two places always covered with ice caps only. In southern hemisphere, between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south and the South Pole 90 degrees south, lies in the continent of Antarctica. Yeah, in that area, Antarctica, that is one of the continent. It only lies now. It is permanently ice bound. This Antarctica continent also permanently ice bound. Do you know the word tundra actually means barren, treeless land? What is mean by tundra? That means barren, treeless land. In the Antarctic Ocean only around 90% of ice on earth is found. Actually it covered an ice almost 1.6 kilometer thick. Do you know the five oceans? Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, right? See, in this Antarctic Ocean only 90% of ice on earth is found. And also it covered an ice almost 1.6 kilometer thick. Actually, India has 3 research stations in the Antarctic Ocean. Dakshin Gangotri, Maitri and Bharati. What are the 3 research stations? Dakshin Gangotri, Maitri and Bharati. Students, in this picture we can see Earth's climatic zone. Earth climatic zone, otherwise climatic zone of the world. See, there are 3 types of climatic zone, right? What are the zones? Torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. This pink color, it indicates frigid zone. Then yellow color indicates temperate zone. Green color, torrid zone, right? This pink color frigid zone, this region lies in the north and south frigid zone. Which region? Polar region. Already we read, no? So, polar region or tundra region lies in this north and south frigid zone. It is very cold throughout the year and it is frozen for the most part of the year, right? See, sun rays fall directly on the equator. right? That means in torrid zone. So here it receive only very hot throughout the year. After that, in temperate zone has moderate climate. It is neither too hot or cold. But in the polar region, sun rays fall slantingly. So this region near the poles receive only slanting rays of the sun. Therefore, they have long freezing winter and brief cool summer. So what is the climate in the polar region? They have long freezing winters and brief cool summers. The polar region receive only slanting rays of the sun, no? So actually we have 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. But here in polar region it gets only 2 seasons: winter and summer. In polar region or tundra region, winter temperature can go down minus 45 degrees Celsius. During this winter season, in polar areas, sun never rises for 6 months and stays below the horizon. In polar region or a tundra region, summer temperatures rarely rises above 10 degrees Celsius. So, which is barely enough to thaw the surface of the ground. Students, see this picture. The snow melts, but the ice caps and poles remain intact. During summer, the sun never sets, and there is continuous sunlight, even at the midnight also, for 6 months. In winter temperature, the sun never rises for 6 months, no. But here in summer, the sun never sets. There is continuous sunlight for 6 months. The subsoil, which lies 6 inches below the ground, where 6 inches below the ground, is permanently frozen, is called permafrost. Permafrost means a thick subsurface layer of soil that remains below freezing point throughout the year, occurring chiefly in polar region. In the polar region, throughout the year, the thick surface sublayer of the soil remains below the freezing point. Okay. Now we are going to see vegetation in tundra region. See, in tundra, vegetation is composed of dwarfed shrubs, sedges and grasses, mosses and lichens. Scattered trees also grown in this region. In tundra region, very few plants can survive the extreme and harsh weather condition. Actually, here the soil is permanently frozen for most part of the year. That means throughout the year, the soil is permanently frozen. See this picture. These are the examples for flower-bearing plants. See, in a polar region, not only this flower-bearing plants grown, and also some berry-bearing shrubs also grown here. Students, now we are going to learn wildlife in polar region. That means in tundra region. In this region, we can easily find some animals like polar bears, Arctic foxes, reindeers, snowy owls, like this. Actually, most of the animals have a thick layer of fat and thick white fur all over their body. It helps them to keep them warm, right? These animals' skin is so thick, no, so it helps them to keep from warm. During summer, their fur changes to grayish brown color. Okay, not only we can see this wild animals like polar bears, Arctic foxes in this polar region. We can also see some birds in polar region. Some birds like migrate to warmer region during winter season. Do you know what is migrate? To move from region to another according to the season. See, some birds can move from one place to another place according to the season. If it is winter season, it can change their place. If it is summer, it can change their place to some other place. Like that, some migrate birds can see in this polar region. Tundra regions, we can see many kinds of fishes, whales, seals, and walrus. But penguin and leopard seals are found only in Antarctica. Now we can see human occupation in polar region. See, the tribes who live in tundra region are Inuits, Lapps, and Yakuts. Inuits, we can call the people Inuits in Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. Lapps in Finland, and Yakuts in Siberia. The main occupation of the Inuits are hunting and fishing. They used to live in igloos in winter season. See, students, have you seen the igloos picture? Students, this is igloo. The people used to live in polar region during winter season. Inuits used to live in tent. They hunted whales, seals, and walruses with harpoons. See, students, this instrument is known as harpoons. Harpoon means a spear-like missile attached to a long rope used for catching large sea animals like whales, seals, walrus, etc. In tundra region, people like Inuits were traveled on sledges. Do you know sledge? Sledge means a vehicle used for carrying loads over ice and snow. See, those people make a sledge drawn by powerful dogs called huskies, and small boats also they used. Small boat called kayaks. Now they have started using snowmobiles. In tundra region, people have started using snowmobiles instead of kayaks and use rifles to hunt animals. And they live in permanent house like wooden houses. Before they lived in igloo, no? Igloo or tent. But nowadays they have permanent houses like wooden houses. Okay, students, remaining lesson equatorial region we will discuss in our next session. Now I will recall you what we have seen today. Tundra region, it is located in frigid zone, both frigid zone, north frigid zone and south frigid zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and the North Pole 90 degree north in the northern hemisphere, and also lies between the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south and South Pole 90 degree south in the southern hemisphere. You can see tundra region in this map. See, these are the places it covers tundra region. In this map, that sky blue color indicates ice cap areas, and then that dotted lines, that place indicate tundra region. Okay, students. Now, climate of the polar region, climate of the tundra region. This region nears the pole, so it receives only slanting rays of the sun. Right now, so here they have long freezing winter season and also brief cool summer season. In this region, they get only two seasons, winter and summer. During winter, they can go down to minus 45 degree Celsius. During summer season, here sun never rises for 6 months, nearly 6 months. During summer, its temperature rarely rises to above 10 degrees Celsius. During summer season, the sun never sets. There is continuous sunlight. Even at midnight also, we can see sun for 6 months. And also, there is very less rainfall. And it ranges from 15 to 30 centimeter in the year. Next, vegetation of the tundra region. Very few plants can survive extreme and harsh weather condition on this region. Here, soil is permanently frozen for most part of the year. That means most part of the year, here soil is very permanently frozen. And also we can see some shrubs like mosses, lichens, grass grow, and flower bearing plants and berry bearing plants also grown here. Wildlife in the tundra region. See, in this region we can see some animals like polar bears, Arctic hare, Arctic foxes, lemmings, caribous, and reindeers. Not only animals, birds also we can found here. Some birds like snowy owls, Arctic terns, penguins, and aquatic animals also found here like fishes, whales, seals, walrus. One important thing that penguin and leopard seal are found only in Antarctica. Next, human occupation. The people who live in the tundra region, they have so many names like Inuits in Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. In Canada, Alaska, Greenland, we call the people as Inuits. In Finland, we called them as a Lapps. In Siberia, we called them as a Yakuts. And the polar region, the main occupation of Inuits are hunting and fishing. See, they used to live in igloo during winter. During summer, they used to live in tents. They also use harpoons to hunting the fishes. And also they traveled on sledges. And the Lapps and Yakuts are rearing animals such as reindeer. They that provided them with milk, meat, and skin. But now all occupations are open to them. Okay, students, now it's time for book reading. Take book page number 45. Take your book, students. Keep your finger. Read with me. Okay? Page number 45. Tundra region. Location. The word tundra actually means barren, treeless land. Tundra region covers the following areas in the frigid zone. On the northern hemisphere between the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree, that means 66.5 degree north, and the North Pole 90 degree north, lie northern parts of Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Iceland, northern parts of Scandinavia and Siberia. Parts of Greenland and highlands of the area are permanently covered with ice caps. And southern hemisphere between the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south and the South Pole 90 degrees south lies the continent of Antarctica. It is permanently ice bound. Do you know what is ice cap? Ice cap, a covering of ice over a large area, that is known as ice caps. Then see the green box. We have 1 marks now. First question, which zone does tundra region cover? Options, frigid or temperate. Answer is frigid zone. Which zone does tundra region cover? Frigid zone. Next, second question, the tundra region lies between dash circle and dash pole in the northern hemisphere. They are asking northern hemisphere here. So the tundra region lies between Arctic circle, right now in north side Arctic circle, and the north pole in the northern hemisphere. So answer is Arctic and North Pole. Okay. Third question, the tundra region lies between dash circle and dash pole in the southern hemisphere. Here they are asking southern hemisphere, no? So answers Antarctic circle. In first dash Antarctic circle and the second dash South Pole. The tundra region lies between Antarctic circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. Now turn next page, page number 47. Students, keep in your mind, keep your finger in the book and read with me, okay? See the top side, yellow box, fascinating facts. Around 90% of the ice on earth is found in Antarctica, as it is covered in ice almost 1.6 kilometer thick. Captain James Cook discovered the islands near Antarctica, but it was in 1911 that a Norwegian explorer named Roald Amundsen actually set foot on Antarctica. India has 3 research stations in Antarctica: Dakshin Gangotri, Maitri, and Bharati. Next, climate. The region near the poles receive only the slanting rays of the sun. Therefore, they have long freezing winters and brief cool summers. Winter. Winter temperature can go down to minus 45 degrees Celsius. During winter, the sun never rises for 6 months and stays below the horizon. Summer temperatures rarely rises above 10 degrees Celsius, which is barely enough to thaw the surface of the ground. The snow melts, but the ice caps in the poles remain intact. During summer, the sun never sets, and there is continuous sunlight, even at midnight, for 6 months. There is very less rainfall, and it ranges from 15 to 30 centimeter in a year. The subsoil, which lies 6 inches below the ground, is permanently frozen and is called permafrost. Now turn the next page. See the green box. First one, winter temperature falls to dash. During winter, in tundra region receive only minus 45 degrees Celsius, right? So first answer minus 45 degrees Celsius. And the summer temperatures are around 10 degrees Celsius. Summer temperature are around 10 degrees Celsius. First dash minus 45 degrees Celsius, second dash 10 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature fall to minus 45 degrees Celsius and summer temperatures are around 10 degrees Celsius. Next second question. During winter the sun never for 6 months. During winter season the sun never rises for 6 months. Third question. During summer the sun never sets for 6 months. During summer the sun never sets for 6 months. Next topic, wildlife. Polar bears, Arctic hares, Arctic foxes, lemmings, caribous, reindeers, snowy owls, Arctic terns, and so on are found here. Most animals have a thick layer of fat and thick white fur all over their body to keep them warm. During summer, their fur changes to a grayish brown, which camouflages them. Some birds migrate to warmer region during winter. The Arctic tern migrates the longest distance and flies all the way south to Antarctica. Many kinds of fishes, whales, seals, and walruses are found here. Penguins and leopard seals are found only in Antarctica. See the box. Camouflage. To blend in with the surrounding. Migrate means to move from one region to another according to the season. Then human occupation. The tribes who live in the tundra region are the Inuits in Canada, Alaska, and Greenland, the Lapps in Scandinavia and Finland, and Yakuts and Chukchis in Siberia. The main occupation of the Inuits are hunting and fishing. They used to live in igloos in winter and tents in summer. The hunted whales, seals, and walruses with harpoons, bows, and arrows. They traveled on sledges drawn by powerful dogs called huskies and small boats called kayaks. Many changes have taken place over the last 15 years. Discovery of minerals such as gold, copper, iron ore, and oil has changed their lives. They have now started using snowmobiles instead of kayaks and use rifles to hunt animals. They live in permanent wooden house and their children have started going to school. Harpoon, that means a spear like missile attached to a long rope used for catching large sea animals. Sledge, a vehicle used for carrying loads over ice and snow. Snowmobile, a motor vehicle that is used to travel on snow. The Lapps, Yakuts, and Chukchis reared animals such as reindeer that provided them with meat, milk, and skin. But now all occupations are open to them. Next, see the green box, Venmax. Minerals such as das, gold, and das have been found in the tundra region. Minerals such as copper, gold, and iron ore. What is the answer? Copper and iron ore. The minerals such as copper, gold, and iron ore have been found in tundra region. Next, second question. The Lapps live in Scandinavia and Finland. Third question, most animals have thick white fur with changes to dash and this help to dash. This one changes to grayish brown color, right? Which color? Grayish brown color, and help to camouflage and help to camouflage. Fourth one, the Inuits used to live in igloos in winter season. The Inuits used to live in igloos in winter. Okay, students, read this lesson from book page number 45 to 49. Within this video, I will send one more video for writing work. Today assignment work. I am going to write a class work for lesson 2 and then detail answer for lesson 2. So, watch the video and write the assignment. Make it fast. Send the video as soon as possible before Monday evening 7 p.m. Thank you.